Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this awesome pico de gallo spicy chile salt for making a traditional Mexican fruit salad. So my husband is Mexican and he introduced me to this. And it is a nice little packet of seasoning. As you can see here, it's a little bottle. It is a spicy flavor, so it is hot on like the scale of spiciness. You can add it to fruit, you can add it to different food. It gives you like a zing of flavor and then it kind of goes away. So it is definitely something that's really nice to add in a little bit of extra kick to your food. And it comes in a good amount here that's going to last you quite a bit as well. You don't need much in whatever you're making. So he really loves this and we love it too. So that is my point of view.